I don't know, I just feel very happy.
Oh, okay. By the way, I like your dress. Where did you buy it?
It is a gift from my mother.
Oh, I think your mother is very stylish.
Yes, she is very stylish.
Oh, is your mother kind?
Yes, she is very kind.
Oh, is your mother generous?
Yes, she is generous.
Is your mother humble?
Yes, my mother is humble.
Is your mother beautiful?
Yes, my mother is very beautiful.
Oh, wait a second. I like the way you speak English.
Oh yes, thank you. I like your speak English good too.
Oh, thank you. Where do you learn English?
Why?
Where?
I learned English at Britannia Brompton.
Oh, okay. How long have you studied English at Britannia Brompton?
I studied English for 2 months.
Oh, 2 months.
Yes.
And then how about the class?
Oh, it's class. The class is wonderful and I love it.
Oh, okay. And then how about the teacher?
Oh, the teacher is talented, cheerful, friendly, and smart. I like it.
Oh, okay. Is your teacher strong?
Yes, my teacher is strong.
Yeah. Is your teacher inspiring?
Yes, my teacher is inspiring.
Is your teacher motivating?
Yes, my teacher is motivating.
Why do you learn English?
Why? I learn English because I want to improve my speaking skill.
Oh, I hope your dreams come true. It's a wonderful conversation. Nice talking to you.